Hello and welcome to today's video tutorial. We will be talking about the Page Builder subplugin headers and footers custom functionality. So with this functionality you are able to create headers and footers that you can use in your directory and that you can customize with the builder itself so that you have control of the elements that it has, how they look like, the links that are presented, and all sorts of things. Even PHP can be added to the builder. So let's go ahead and see what we need to do to add a custom header to our directory. So right now I am on the BDBlocks directory, which you're familiar with, bdblocks.com. It has a default header, well, not so default, it looks kind of custom. But I'm gonna show you today what you need to do so that you can have a different header added to your directory. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the page under the Pages tab of the Page Builder subplugin, you should be able to see the headers and the footers list. So if you wanted to create a new header for our directory, we just click on new header, which is gonna pop us open the editor mode. We need to go into the builder mode since there are no blocks for headers yet. We drop a section there, we drop a little division there, and let's add an image right inside of this element. I'm gonna set the image to have 100 pixels height so that it's not too tall. And then I'm gonna save and publish the changes. So the section has been created and has been saved on the page builder, but that doesn't mean that the directory has the header added to it already. So if we go to bdblocks.com, you can see that the default header is still loading, even if I created this custom header. If you want to make this header be applied on your directory already, you can click on the section settings under actions, click on make this section default, and we click on the save changes button. So now this has saved the header on the header widget of Brilliant Directories. If we go ahead and reload the page, it's still not going to show our custom header because we need to clear the cache on the directory so that the new header takes up. Now that the cache has been refreshed, I'm gonna reload the page. And now you see the image is up here. So now you can start adding styles to your build, to your section, and make the header pop or look however you want it to look like. If you want to go back to your previous default header, you can untick this, make this section default, click on save changes, reload your cache. Remember to do this anytime you save your changes because the cache is kind of hard to clear. And now we're back to the default. So now you know how you can create a custom header, how to set it as default so that it saves on your directory, what you need to do so that it loads, refreshing the cache. And if you want to do the same but for a footer, you just follow the same process. You create a footer, you drop the elements you want in it, you set the section as default, and this will take care of overriding the default footer of your directory. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you learned on this little demonstration video. Please let me know if you have any other topics that you would need me to go over, and I would more than gladly create a video tutorial for you. So thank you guys. Hope you have a great day and see you next time. Bye.